Hello and welcome YouTubers to another episode with Review Zone. What's going on YouTube? This is Review Zone and I have another beautiful product for review today. It's called Coins 10x Breakouts. This is another financial platform tool that allows you to trade and cut in within the profits. Now I have been studying, examining markets. I've been also trading on the platforms. So I have a lot of broad knowledge to give you for this review video. So let's jump to it. So the first thing I would like you to understand, it's the pain points of each trader out there. We probably have about millions, even if not dozens of traders out there. But the difference and always the middle line is split behalf of the successful and unsuccessful traders. So the question is, why the one can be so successful and the other unsuccessful? And specifically inside the financial markets. And I have an answer for you. So this all breaks down to discipline. Because everything moves around discipline, especially when you're trading. You need to monitor, you need to run your trades, you cannot get emotional, you cannot overtrade. So these are a lot of points within trading. So, and I have actually listed a few of them. So first one is overtrading. Many traders, personally do I know myself, are overtrading. They're taking between 20 trades a day, sometimes even 30 trades a day. Some of them may be taking about 7 trades a day. So when you're over trading, you're not being anymore monitoring the markets. You're not monitoring the markets the way you should be monitoring. And the way you should be monitoring markets is to have maybe 2 to 3 different pairs to monitor. And you only concentrate on these pairs. And you know them inside and out, like the back of your head. Okay, and this is what exactly means. It's being monitoring your professionality. That's your professional market. And this professional market is broken down into your 3 pairs of currency if you're trading currencies. If not, if you're trading stocks, then it's 3 stocks. And they have to be monitored. And when you monitor, you understand the flow, you understand the volatility, and you understand the way and what the market dictates and demands, and where the buyers are coming off and where the buyers are pulling off, okay? And when the big sharks are coming in and when the small sharks are taken out. So this all has to be taken into view. And when you're over trading, you're not really taking that into view because you are focusing on too many things at the same time. And sometimes the traders get too much confused just because you have too many things to focus on the same. It's like when you go, it's like you go for a walk and all you need to do is just to enjoy the walk, but you start to focus on, oh, I need to go home, I need to do this, I need to do that, then I need to do, so you're not really enjoying the process of walking because you are busy operating with inside your mind what you have to do. Now, the next one is emotional. And this is something big because emotional automatically puts the trader into gambling position. And when you start to gamble with the capital that you have been given, you're probably going to lose it. And not a lot of traders out there do not like to lose. Okay, they're not used to losing, but this is all part of the process of trading. There's the winning trades and the losing trades. And if you cannot take the losing trades and you get too emotional and you start to cut deeper inside your pockets, taking more money out and kind of like almost wanting to revenge the market because it took your trades, like, unfortunately, you're not going to last for a very long time. Third thing, what I see is very big. No risk-reward ratio. This means if you are risking a specific amount of your capital, then you want to gain double on top of that capital. So let's say I'm risking 200. I want to gain 400. So I'm coming double out because when I lose that 200, my previous trade already covered my losing trades. Okay, so I always focus on if I'm entering and I'm losing 200, so my previous trade must make me 400. So this means you're risking 1% to get 2%. You're never going to risk 1% to get 0.5% because that doesn't make sense. And there has to be a systematic approach when you are trading, because risk reward ratio is a systematic approach to trading, and it also maximizes you. So, and the next one is no risk per trade. Love beginnings of trading start with knowing your risk, knowing your capital, knowing how much you can actually capability push yourself towards those goals within inside the financial markets. Also taken on a board your capital, okay, your operating capital, how much of the capital you can risk, okay. And this is what somebody is not ready to, because they have capital but they're not willing to lose that capital, or they have capital and they are just throwing it. It's like they are throwing it inside the sea, okay, they're just throwing it inside the water, watching how it floats. So you actually have to have a risk per trade. That's one. It's a risk per trade. You must have a certain percentage amount of the trade that you're going to risk in order for you to actually become successful. Because if you all the time are risking 1 to 2%, that means you're maximizing your trades. If you are risking in one trade 10%, the next one 2%, and then 50%, it's up and down. So you're going to be probably taking out about 4 trades if you go short on them. Okay. Now next is over-informed. So much information currently in the 21st century. The digital world allows us to access millions, even millions of decimals a second information if we want. You just go on YouTube and you're gonna hear everything about trading you need to know. Okay, but which of that information is actually correct? Because I know you're watching this video, YouTube video as well, so you're probably thinking, if this video is correct. So first of all, I want you to understand, you do not need to take everything in of YouTube or any other type of source. What you need to do is back that information up. And once you can back that information up, you know that your information comes from the correct source. And whoever gave you that correct source of the knowledge, you can come back to that source because that source is verified. Okay? The next is a strategy. Many traders do not have a strategy, and even if they do, they change it. So that means you don't have a strategy. Strategy is something that you stay with it for 1 year, okay? And strategy is you actually stay something for the rest of your life of trading. And what you do is you just optimize your strategy. You tweak it a little bit, you watch left and right, you maybe know how the flow goes, you know, maybe when to enter, you have a buying trigger, maybe you want to optimize that buying trigger, maybe you have a fake breakout, a false breakout, okay, maybe you want to work with Fibonacci levels, maybe you want to switch off those Fibonacci off, instead of trying maybe 50 moving average, you maybe are trying 150 moving average. So you're working around your strategy, you're just playing around, you're adjusting to it, okay, and you're kind of optimizing your strategy as you go. That's what it means when you're having strategy. You stick with one strategy and you optimize it. Patience, that's another big factor when it comes to trading, because not a lot of traders have patience, and patience is something is a very big factor that plays the role of successful traders. And why do I say that is because in order for you to take trades, sometimes it will take you weeks, days, okay, sometimes it takes hours, it could take you a day, it could take you 2 days, 3 days, a week, 2 weeks, even sometimes a month. Why? Because you want to know 100% when you're entering that trade, you know exactly how to execute that trade, okay? If you now are wary and you're not 100% sure what your actions are, then it's no point entering the financial markets because you're uncertain about your balance. And not the actual balance of your capital or your own balance, within what actions you're going to pursue to make sure that you sustain your operations throughout these financial markets. Now we also have short-term thinking, because this is something that goes a long time. Now this is like this is what many traders do. They enter, they kind of play around with the markets, they lose a lot of capital, maybe they win, they gamble, And this just shows that they're just thinking short-term thinking, okay? Like, because they're just trying to go after the quick rich scheme, okay? There's no get quick, get out, and we just retired on the Hawaii with 7-foot long yacht. That doesn't happen, okay? So that takes also time to do that. And the next is confused, because you have too many setups, and I've seen that a lot. You have indicators, then you have charts, tools, information, then you have different charts. So you have about 1 million charts around your setup, and you don't even know what these charts mean. So you start looking around, you start getting confused, and then you have more information popping into you because you're trying to catch up on YouTube or what these indicators actually mean. And as more knowledge is given to you, the more confused you get, because now you don't know which indicator is actually correct. Also happens. Okay? Now, I'm going to take you straight to the product and what Coin 10 breakouts offer. So they offer you actually that proven strategy. So if you do not have a strategy, they can actually give you a proven strategy. Also the trading view and the price charts. So that's also something very important, to have a trading view when you are trading and have a correct price charts in front of you. To understand indicators and how to understand these indicators. That's also something big. How to locate new coins for 10x breakouts, okay? And then they're also going to how to use different moving averages from 5 to 200, the market flow and trading alerts. So this is already showing you that you're going to have a decent setup around you, okay? You're going to have a strategy, we're going to have viewpoints, we have different price charts, we will have understanding of our indicators. We also will know how to locate the new coins for 10x breakout, because this is a new crypto market platform setup. It's a new crypto market platform setup, as I must say. How to use different moving averages. So that shows you, it will exactly set you up to show you all the necessary benefits that you need to know how to set up a breakout. Okay, and that's also a powerful strategy that many traders use to trade the breakouts. In the crypto, into exchange or in the stock world, breakouts have a very, very, very common thing. Now, trading alerts, that's also nice to do, a nice touch to your trading setup to always let you know exactly when you have to take that trade. Now, altcoins 10x breakouts also will include bonuses. I will get to that in a minute, because I actually have the members area included as well. Okay, so we're just gonna jump to it then now. And before we get actually into it, okay, I have a special offer for you. Now, I actually have a specific offer for you. There's a link down below in the description box, which will allow you to get this product and my top trading mastery tools. Okay, I have gathered a lot of information throughout the years to give the top mastery tools to master your trading, to profitize your trading, to make sure that your trading is on a whole different level. Now, these bonuses are included 100% free of charge when you purchase this product with the link down below into my description box. My trading setups are proven because they have been working for myself as well. I have been doing a lot of research. I have been investing in dozens of webinars at my time. I have been investing dozens of thousands of euros into trading courses to understand which works and which doesn't. Now, all this information that I have for you is totally for 100% for free if you grab this product with the link down below into my description box. Now, I want to actually give you this. So when you have that link, when you automatically click it, you'll be taken to my bonus page, which looks something like this. So this bonus page is created. It's created by me. So you have the alt 10x breakout information all given. Now you have to get these bonuses before this time expires, but I guess after that I'm gonna take my bonuses off because I don't want anybody to have them. Okay, I'm doing this only specifically for this offer, because I usually don't review trading products because it's very close to me, so I don't really review them, but just for this specific I was asked to review it, so I'm doing it. So I will have those included down there for you, and there's everything you need to know about 10x, all the bonuses that are included from them. I just want to give you a quick heads up for my bonuses. So my first bonus is valued at $1,020. That's correct, it's $1,020. When you will open it, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So it's 9-figure trading bonus tutorial. It's the 7-figure market cycle, okay? Because market actually moves in cycles. There's different cycles. There is the buying cycle where the market goes up. Then there's the equilibrium cycle. Okay, so there's different market cycles, and this is the 7-figure market cycle. So it will allow you to profit yourself 10 times more than you have been profiting yourself before. I can guarantee you that. So that's first. So my next bonus for you is, it's worth the 550. It's the 9-figure trading bonus tutorial, 8-yard quarterback defense. Okay, so what does this mean? This means when we have a certain setup for you in the trading strategy, you must also understand the fundamentals of risk. Okay, and in order for you to understand these fundamentals of risk, you have to get my 8-yard quarterback defense, which will allow you to make sure that your capital is protected and your risk is executed precisely. Next is worth €779. It's the figure trading, 9-figure trading. Discover the $1 million fundamental laws behind trading. That's also law-based. This will also make you to understand and allow you to understand the fundamentals behind trading. The fourth is the 9-figure trading. Again, it's bonus tutorial, 90K trading execution. It's another strategy included, which will allow you to double your sizes, to double your risk-reward ratio, and show exactly how to execute your trades on the next level. And the bonus number 5 is worth €999. It's dollars. It's 9-figure trading. Again, it's bonus tutorial, the mastery of 10K trading strategy. This is actually the strategy. If you implement this strategy exactly, I have a couple strategies actually mentioned there, given to you through the bonuses. You can combine them and make your own powerful setups. Okay, so don't just take my word. Actually, try these bonuses out and see it for yourself. Now you have to get all of these bonuses before this time expires, and you have to get these bonuses with the link which is down below into my description box. Now I'm going to show you the members area. So I'm logged on. So the number one, it will offer you a couple of the bonuses when you logged in, because they already offered you a few bonuses. So the bonus number one is, if you do not have an account yet with any exchange, or you never bought any coins, so they will allow you to actually give you all the training you need to set up your account. Okay, so the bonus number 2 is, if you do not know how to work with price charts, or you maybe have never done any financial market trading, or you never ever put yourself into that position to actually require necessary information about trading or stocks or whatever necessarily needed. So that means they will actually give you all that training on hand when you purchase this course. Now also the bonus number 3 is to give you all the information you need to know to how to work indicators and oscillators. Okay, and it's also free trading included. So all these 3 bonuses are for you. You can grab them once you log into your course. Now you will scroll down, there will be all the introduction as well. There will be a couple of the videos. So for example, how to find 10x break potential coins. So they will be showing you how to mine those coins, and not mine them, how to actually get them. You also have 10x profit method, 10x profit methods 2. So the module is broken down into a couple methods as well. It will give you a few overline examination exactly where it's overbought, where it's oversold, and show you exactly when to enter your trade, how to execute your trade, what type of setup to use, what type of moving average to belong your support and resistance, how to make sure that it's the actual breakout, not the false breakout. So it's actually going to talk and give you the whole examination you need to know, but also a lot of pictures are included inside the members area to also give you the overview. Okay, so we can see here as well. and as I said, they're going to show you how to set up your breakout alerts. Now this is all very easy, straightforward, through the training. Take notes down as you are learning. So yes, as I mentioned, so take notes down when you're going through. Make sure that you understand everything that you are going through, so don't just rush through the course. Take your own time. Make sure that you understand each perspective of trading, each chart, each moving average, how to utilize your setup, how to utilize the alerts, how to utilize the charts, how to make sure that you know how to get the new coins, how to make sure that you enter at the right time the trade. So there are a lot of things when it comes. So it's the complete package to understand exactly when to enter the trade, how much big of the risk you're entering with, when to execute your trade, how to execute. Are you executing with the market flow? In this course it shows you the breakout formula. So there's a lot of setups. I also have included my own bonus page for you to have a look. Now I'm gonna show you also what you need to know. It's the upsells. So the upsell one is get a crypto targeted traffic package. Traffic package range from $45 to $3,300 and 20% commission plus recurring. Okay, so that's one. So number two is on a one-on-one Skype call, $197 for 1 hour, $497 for 3 hours, or $997 for 5 hours of trading. So this is also very powerful. If you are one-on-one, it's like you're having a coach. It's like you're having somebody like me sitting on the screen with you, going through your trades, making sure that you understand everything, making sure that you're entering at the right time, making sure that those little micro steps towards your success are fully executed on the highest ability to your level. Okay, so there's nothing missing. So when you have one-on-one, it's like you basically are having your own personal coach. And this becomes very powerful, because I had my coach as well when I used to do trading, and it's very powerful because the coach will tell you where you are going wrong, where your trades are lacking, maybe it will give you a different overview, a different perspective of way he sees you are entering and the way you see you're entering your trades and executing your trades. So these are two powerful things, but when they are actually combined and the harmony between you and your coach is at that same direction, and you're learning from him and he's learning from you, it's a wonderful learning curve. And especially it's a wonderful learning curve because you're profiting from this. This is not just you learn something and that's it. This is a life skill you learn. Okay, so I would recommend you to get the one-on-one Skype call just to try it out, to maybe try it out for 1 hour, and then if it's worth it, I recommend you to get it. I know it's worth it, but if you think it's worth it for 1 hour, then maybe get next time for 3 hours. And the same, I already included your bonuses, so there's nothing to lose, because most of my bonuses I usually don't give them, but I was kind of told to do the review for this, so there I am. I'm sitting here in front of you, I'm giving you the hand, I'm giving you all my bonuses, all my mastery for you to utilize, plus to take this course. Okay, so the sales page, I leave it for yourself, because I think this is the members area. The sales page, there's not much on it, so we have the tutorial. Do watch it if you want it. It's not that much of a deal. It just gives you more insight of what exactly 10x breakouts is all about. And when you scroll down, it will also give you an idea, which is already kind of mentioned on my page, my bonus page. So if you go straight to my bonus page, you will find all this information already on my bonus page. So there's separate, there's the before buying, see a sample of training below. So there's a little training template already kind of given to you to maybe have a quick heads up what type of training is going to be included into the course. So yeah, so that's basically it, guys. There's not much. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and if you're happy with this product, purchase it with a link via down below into my description box of this YouTube video, and receive all the bonuses 100% free when you purchase it. I wish you all the best with your trading. Thank you for watching. Until next time.